This is First Class Auto, a dealership serving credit-challenged customers. First Class Auto recently started offering LoJack Go, a connected car solution exclusively for customers of GoldStar dealers. Let's see how LoJack Go helps First Class Auto reduce risk, lower costs, collect more payments, and increase revenue, all while keeping customers happy. Let's follow Jake, the owner. Because Jake is a GoldStar user and LoJack Go dealer, he gets to associate his dealership with LoJack, the most recognized brand in vehicle protection. And he gets to differentiate his dealership from the competition to give his customers stolen vehicle recovery and connected car technology that also helps his dealership's bottom line. Later in the day, Jake checks his portfolio from a real-time dashboard and is pleased to see he received 6 payments from borrowers the previous night. Using LoJack Go-enabled loan management software, Jake can send email and text reminders to all borrowers in his portfolio, not just those on LoJack Go or GoldStar. Since using these tools, Jake has improved payment collections by 20%. Now he can focus on other tasks while LoJack Go takes care of reminders. Rachel, a customer of First Class Auto, receives an automated text message reminding her to make her monthly payment. With LoJack Go's mobile payment feature, Rachel conveniently makes her payment on time from the comfort of her own home. Using the app's geofencing feature, she also verifies that her teenage son made it to school safely. And First Class Auto averts one more late payment. Meanwhile, Mark, a delinquent borrower, receives an automated late payment reminder by email. He calls Jake and tells him he hasn't made a payment because his vehicle needs repairs. Thanks to LoJack Go's repair shop locator, Jake tells Mark he can use the app to find a service center. Mark opens the LoJack Go app and searches through a list of reputable auto repair shops that offer upfront, transparent pricing, have high customer satisfaction ratings, and guarantee repairs for 12 months or 12,000 miles. He also notices his battery is running low and decides to take care of that too. Now, Mark can get his car repaired, get on the road, and get back on track with his loan. At night, Jake used to send repo teams to recover vehicles from defaulted accounts. But because he's receiving more payments thanks to LoJack Go, Jake has fewer recoveries to schedule, saving time and money. Now, when Jake has to recover a vehicle, he can easily turn off the borrower's access to LoJack Go and to their payment feature right from the loan management portal. This makes recoveries a frictionless experience. At the end of the day, Jake closes down for the night. He used to drive to the bank to deposit the cash payments he collected, which could be an uncomfortable amount of money to transport. But with LoJack Go's ability to collect payments electronically, Jake can skip the bank and head home. In a single day, LoJack Go helped First Class Auto keep their customers happy while reducing their risk, increasing their payments, lowering their costs, and boosting their revenue. LoJack Go, part of the LoJack family, the nation's most recognized stolen vehicle recovery brand and a powerful solution for GoldStar dealers and lenders.